Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're cooking another fireside dish and today we'll be making some curried corn. This amazing vegetarian dish pairs well with some boiled and fried dumplings. So let me show you how easy this is to put together. So to make this recipe I'm going to be using Rajapuri's 9-spice curry powder. I find this is the perfect blend curry powder to use for this recipe. The flavors and the notes are amazing.
So I'm using my fireside. We want that authentic fireside curry flavor. And we're going to place our pot, and to the pot I'm going to add in some oil. And the oil is going to start heating up together with the pot. So guys, to my pot I'm going to go in with methi and cumin seeds, and we're going to allow those to toast until they're dark brown in color. Don't let them burn, you just want them to be nice and dark brown. In goes some chopped onions, some chopped pimento peppers and hot peppers, and hot peppers are optional, and some scallions. And we're going to allow this to saute until it's light brown in color. Once your onions are nice and light brown, go in with your chopped garlic and allow that to cook until it's light brown in color. We don't add the garlic too soon because what happens is the garlic would burn before the onions have a chance to get a nice golden brown. When the garlic has a lovely golden brown color, go in with your curry powder and allow that to toast on a low heat just to release the flavors. You don't need to burn this curry for too long. To the curry, I'm going in with some green seasoning. And now I'm going to add in some water. Just a little. I don't want to burn the curry, so hence the reason why I just allowed it to toast for about 20 to 30 seconds. That's going to release the flavors in the curry because it's a very flavorful and strong curry. So now we're going to allow this to cook here until it starts to turn into a thick paste. Okay, once your curry starts to turn into that thick paste, you're going to add in your corn, and these are raw pieces of corn. I didn't pre-boil the corn. If you want to pre-boil it, you can. Now we're going to give this a good mix to coat that corn with the curry, and we're going to allow this to bunge or fry up in here. And what's going to happen is it's going to develop more flavor as it's bunging down or frying down in that curry. Are you guys hearing that sizzle? That's what you want. We're developing flavors. Okay guys, after your curry starts to sizzle at the bottom like this, we're going to go ahead and add in some coconut milk. And we're going to add in enough water to cover the corn. Okay, once you put in your water to cover your corn, I'm adding in some all-purpose seasoning and I'm adding in salt. Go light on the salt. You can always adjust your salt in the end. And now we're going to allow this corn to come up to a simmer. Now a tip I'll give you guys is if you wanted to add in some dumplings, once this comes up to a boil, feel free to. So guys, once your corn comes up to a simmer, I would allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes and then add in your dumplings. You don't want to add it too soon because it will get mushy. So I'm not adding in any dumplings today. I'm actually just making a plain curry corn for you all. And I'm going to allow this to cook down in here. The sauce will thicken, and once that sauce thickens, we'll taste and adjust and finish this. But this smells and looks so amazing. So let's leave it to continue to simmer there. Let all of those flavors come together and permeate that corn. It's gonna get into the corn and make this corn taste so delicious. And if you've never had curry corn before, trust me, you're going to love it. I find it reminds me of dumpling and curry crab, a vegetarian version. That's what I think. How many of you think that? If you do think that, comment down below and let me know. So guys, the corn is almost done. So guys, the corn is finished. The sauce has thickened up considerably. You can leave it as thin or as thick as you want. This is how I like it, nice and thick. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this inside, I'm going to dish it out, and I want to show you guys how I'm serving it. All you have to do now is taste and adjust your salt, but this is ready to be served. Look how amazing that looks. The color, the flavor, that warm, rich curry flavor with that coconut milk, simply amazing.
So guys, this curry is so flavorful. I wish you all can smell it, those rich, deep flavors and notes. I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. If you did and you make it, comment down below and let me know what you think. I'm serving it with some seasoned boiled and fried dumplings. So perfect for this Diwali season. Thank you all again for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.